Okay guys, so here with me today, if I don't actually know you in person, this is my husband Jordan. Welcome Jordan.
Hey guys.
He is here today to do my makeup and he's going to kind of explain what he's doing and why he's doing it. And it's going to be great.
Yep, because don't worry kids, I am a professional. So Britton, what kind of look do you want today?
I would prefer a good look.
Okay, alright. Any specific good look that you'd like?
How about a holiday look?
Holiday look.
Let's go holiday look.
Holiday.
Festive.
Festive.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Do you have a preference of which holiday?
You can pick whichever holiday your little heart
I
desires.
was hoping you'd say that. Alright.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, so keep watching. Alright, so I just want to preface while we're both kind of getting ready here at the moment, I did not give him like step-by-step instructions. I think I've mentioned this a couple times. I don't like doing my makeup. I hate doing my makeup, so it doesn't happen very often. So he hasn't seen me do my makeup very many times. We're gonna see how this goes. Is this okay? Is this an okay angle right here?
I think that's perfect.
Prime makeup doing angle?
The problem here, I don't read French, so I don't know exactly what this is. Alright, let me just get everything all... Alright, so first I'm going to start off with some of this, alright? Because it's important to have a good base. I'm not quite sure how to apply this, so we're just going to go straight on the face. Okay, we're going to do it all there. Yep, that's nice. So here, I saw this on... over Britton's shoulder on YouTube. War paint. That is an accepted form of applying makeup. Can I use this?
Yeah.
On that?
You can use anything.
Is that how it works?
Go for it.
That's pretty soft. Am I going to want to use this later? Okay, we'll try this. Why is it all powdery? We're going to need some more.
Mm-mm.
No? I'm gonna need you to lean closer. Go ahead. Look on. Excellent. Okay, so now, once you have a nice base.
What is that?
I have no idea. It is Elf. I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight the cheekbones here. And the nose, I've seen her do this before in the mirror, right on the nose. I don't know if you want anywhere else to be prominent, so... I don't think that worked. Color tattoo, eye chrome? It's gonna be your eyebrows. Holiday look, silver for Christmas. No, what do you do when you mess up? There's a little spot. Perfect. I wish I had like some sort of basic knowledge of
Me too. I wish I had basic knowledge.
Makeup works. This is going well. This is going well. Okay. Hula! Hula benefit. I'm not sure what I'm doing with this. It is not benefiting me at all. I'm not sure where this goes. No, that's not where it goes. Alright, we'll try a different place. So, I'm using this stuff. Also made by Elf. I don't know if you can see that. due to a mistake I made earlier. I mean, kind of like Bob Ross. You know Bob Ross? You don't make
trees
mistakes.
now.
They're just trees now. It's a shrub. I made a shrub. You don't smile. Don't you laugh at me. So this is just after I place both different shades. I don't like if there's a sharp line. I like things to blend nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush and just kind of blend it together. Okay, we're gonna do this one left-handed due to the angle. Prepare yourself. We're gonna need some eyeliner. None of this looks like lip stuff.
I have 2 lip things there for you.
I don't see either of them. But
For
in the
real?
meantime, let me tell you about Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I don't know if the creators were aware, but that doesn't exist. And we're gonna do this because I've seen this before. This is Victoria's Secret Lip Plumper, and I'm pretty sure it's different on everybody. Right? Right? I'm pretty
Called
sure.
Custom Color.
Custom color. Victoria's
And-
Lip.
They're not promoting this video, obviously, but I have like 27 tubes of that.
For real? You got your vermilion border, which you don't want to cross over. You got the wet dry line that you also don't want to cross over. So you have a thin margin where you want it to be at. Now I'd like you to do a little bit on her nose. Just a hair. Just something really, just a little. Something really.
Do you think I like put a bunch on my nose?
Like it's a
Okay.
bad thing. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. This is a Salon Perfect eyelash adhesive, which I will be using to put these 110 black eyelashes on. I'm not sure which eyelash this goes on. Does that look good? Or does that look good? Does that look good? You want to wave it around like this so it gets a little tacky before you put it on. I'm not sure how to test the tackiness. Go ahead and close it. You're doing great. I'm going for like an alien look where you have 2 sets of eyelashes. Okay. Perfect. So we're going to be using NYC, which is an abbreviation for New York Color. Big, bold, volume by the light. It's the yellow tube. Does this need to be shaken? Okay, what I want you to do is blink for me. Yeah, blink again. Perfect. Jordan's tip is if you've never put mascara on somebody else before, just let them do it. Now, normally I would use this spray stuff where you take it and you just
You want some of that?
Nope, because you're gonna want to take this off immediately when we're done. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she? Well, I don't know how that goes.
Oh my gosh! Jord! Where'd you go?
Right
High five! This is a good holiday look. I feel like I could wear this on like weekends. This is very casual, especially like the silver eyebrows. And I really appreciate like the double eyelashes because it gives the effect of more.
It does. It does. You're not covering up your existing lashes. You're adding to them. And that's what I like
And
about
then
what I did
some.
today.
Like take it up a notch,
That's
like
what I
leave
like
some
about
skin to show like that there's still room there for more.
Yep.
Yeah. Isn't that nice? You're so nice. I love that my eyeliner almost touches my eyebrows. I think that should happen more often. I feel really good about this look. That was a good 10 out of 10 look. These hands. I want to give a huge shout out to my awesome husband.
Boom! Makeup! Nailed it! Nailed it! Watch this cover.
That's Jordan's.
My cover! Alright. No, we're still spinning. We're still spinning.
You're not the boss of me. Ah! Wait, my knees are like banging and everything.
Boom. What? Makeup is easy. But you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Beauty.
Angel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you liked about it. Give this guy some high praise because I'm pretty impressed with it.
Oh, virtual high five.
Virtual high five. Give that to him down in the comments. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Go subscribe to my channel. Mwah! Do a good job, okay? What if both my arms got cut off?
We didn't do my makeup today. Now, I would recommend... No.